Hi everyone, this is video 1 for assignment 1 on how to create a website using Google Sites. So first thing you need to do, you're on a reliable computer. You need to open up a website browser. You can I'm using Safari, you can also use Chrome or Firefox. I would suggest using the latest version of any of those web browsers. Just to avoid any problems. So we have our web browser up. We are going to type in sites.google.com and press enter. Here you see I've already created two sites just playing around. But you're gonna go over to the left hand side where my cursor is. You're gonna hit create. And it gives you some options here. It says select a template to use. We're going to select the blank template for this site. But it's important to, if you feel like it, you can go and explore. They have a ton of templates that you can use. And like I said in the introductory video, you don't necessarily have to do everything in these videos. But just make sure that you can go through each step, so that you can answer complete the assignments. So we're going to select the blank template, and you're going to choose a name for your site. Now choose something professional, not unprofessional. Choose something professional. I chose Aaron Haley Professional Site. Hang on. Aaron Haley Professional Site. And I'm just going to type that in because I want to show you this. Look right below where you were just typing. It says site locations. URLs can only use the following characters: capital A through Z, lowercase a through Z, and numbers 0 through 9. And then below that, it gives you the site, the URL. So it's https://sites.google.com/site/ whatever you just typed up here, the name of your site. So the reason why it needs to be a professional name is because people are going to be searching for this website, hopefully. So you need to go ahead and type something in that is professional and not derogatory or silly or anything like that. So that's your URL. In a minute, this is what you're going to use to as your deliverable for your assignment. Is your URL. So let's finish setting this up real quick. You've got your site name. You've got your URL here. You're gonna hit the arrow to select a theme. Okay. And just like the templates, they had tons of themes down here. You can, honestly, I don't care what theme you use. They've got basic themes. They've got creative themes. Mine is just gonna be the simple theme. But you do you choose whatever you want to choose. I'm going to close this and hit more options just to show what you want or what it does. Site description, that's just something that'll come up in Google when somebody Googles your site. It'll come up as a site description whenever you write and type in here. And again, if this were like a ABC or like an alcohol store that you're trying to create a website for, or something else that is only suitable for adults, you would check this and it would prompt a pop-up box. But we're not going to do that. We are instead going to close that and we're going to hit I'm not a robot. Even though I sound like a robot, I'm not a robot. So I came up with the green check. I'm all in the clear. I'm going to hit create, or you will hit create. I can't hit create because this site already exists for me. But that would be the next step. So ignore this. I'm going to hit cancel. And I'm going to show you what my professional site looks like. There it is. Yours will be a little basic, a little more basic, because I've gone ahead and added some things that we'll do in the class. But for your deliverable, on the Google class site, you're gonna simply copy and paste your URL. So the https://sites.google.com/site/whatever your website is called. Okay, make it into something that you like, that you're proud of, and send me the URL.